Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Hopefully, everybody is doing well. I know there's a lot of chaos in the world again with the pandemic, and I would be remiss if I didn't talk about the George Floyd situation a little bit. That has been really troublesome to watch and see, and I know for a lot of other people it has been the same way. So, I mean, this is the thing: is you just never know what's going to happen. One day you go out and you just never come home, and your life is in somebody else's hands. It's very sad. I mean, I don't want to definitely get too deep into it. I don't want to get too political or anything, but I mean, coming from somebody like myself, I used to be a restaurant owner, and I used to have a Subway restaurant with my father, my late father, and I wasn't in the best of areas. As a matter of fact, it was probably in the worst parts of Dallas. So, anyways, one day I was robbed at gunpoint in the morning, and shook me to my core, changed my life. I can honestly say that, I haven't been the same since, as far as, those type of incidents go and stuff. So, you just never know day to day. I mean, I'm not comparing that situation to George Floyd. Obviously, he was unarmed, and, he was, brutalized, and, and now he lost his life. But, all I'm saying is that that was the day when I got robbed. That was kind of the day I said that, you know what? I didn't come here to die. This is not my type of situation. And that really got the wheels turning about, wanting to work for myself from home and have my own digital business, be in the safety of my own home, and be able to earn money, still help people, make a difference, but, do it in the comfort of my own home, where things are a lot more safer. So with that said, just wanted to talk about that a little bit. Rest in peace, George. A very tragic loss, and generally speaking, I'm very, I support our first responders, local officers, and everything, but I don't condone that at all. That was horrible, and I hope that individual, that officer, I'm not going to use his name and give him any sort of notoriety, but I hope that justice is served. Okay, we need some justice for George. And I don't know what George was doing. I don't know if he knew it was a counterfeit bill. I don't know but whatever the case may be, he was an unarmed man, and I mean, he wasn't trying to hurt anybody. He did make a mistake, but he should not have paid the ultimate price for that mistake. So with all that said, these are the type of things that I start thinking about, and I feel so blessed that I have my own business from home, and I'm able to, work off my computer, and as long as I have an internet connection, I'm doing good. Now, I will say the last 24 hours has been very bad for my MacBook. It's just been stalling and dragging out. I just got a little bit of time where it was like stabilized. So I said, okay, let me see if I could shoot a video, because I want to be consistent about my YouTube videos. I want to try to get, several of them up a week, and I didn't want to go 2-3 days without a YouTube video. So here I am, this is what I'm doing. So anyways, all of that news aside, let's go see what's happening in the Prophet's Passport land, and let's get some good news going, all right? So let's see, let's share my screen. All right, so we are in David Deakel's group. Now, David Deakel is the owner and creator of the Prophet's Passport system, and this is the group that everybody joins if they want information on the program, or once they join, they come in. And, this group is like, what, 11,000 strong now? Yeah, over 11,400. So let's see some of the latest testimonials. Miss Brenda, wow, $500 a commission. It's only been 1 week since I joined, and my first sales already not bad. All thanks to my sponsor, Jeff, and hooking me up. And thanks to David for making the system work like magic. So, this is cool. Somebody that's only been in the program 1 week has already generated a $500 sale. Well, actually, it was the first person that actually came through and did the whole thing. So that's really cool. Garrett Berry, wow, just checked my Stripe account, and I saw that I generated over $2,000 today, and it's not even 2 p.m. yet. This system is amazing. All I do is send visitors to my link. Okay. Dirk, thank you, David, for doing the work. Payment, $1,000. So this is the program where David does the work. He does all the selling and the telling. You collect the commissions, okay? You just, get your free funnel, put in the accounts for the programs that you want to participate in, and then just drive traffic to the funnel, whether it's paid traffic, whether it's free traffic, just get people to that page. And then from there, David handles everything. He does all the selling, all the telling, tells them how to structure everything, how the program works. So it's very hands-off. This is a program where you don't have to build a website. You don't have to write your own emails. You don't have to shoot your own videos. You don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to pay monthly web hosting fees. And the list goes on and on. It is a completely done for you system. I would say it's one of the first of its kind. Okay, it's definitely the easiest one I've used. And I had a day, was it last week? I had $5,700 in one day. You can look at my videos. I've done a video on that. Actually, I think the last video was a testimonial that I shot for David. I put it on my channel as well, so you can check that out. Jose Perez. $100 just came in while making breakfast. That's awesome, right? You're making breakfast, $100 comes in on autopilot. You get a little email saying, hey, you got $100 here. Beck. Why so many people are messaging right now? I don't know how to turn off notifications. But anyways, Beck, just before going to bed last night. So Beck, what did Beck do? $100. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh. Notifications are going crazy today. Sam Randall, it's official. Oh, that was May 15th. Okay, I was number one, and then Sam took over, and then I was number one. I think I dropped a little bit this week because I've just been dealing with so many other things. But that's the goal, to get back to number one. So I was number one last week. Let's see. Incredible. Just received the commission. Paulo, another $2,000. You can't stop the money train. Ontarian, forgot to post this yesterday. A couple of sales came in from Ring ALN. So this is a program that has 6 different profit systems inside. Profit system number 1 is Easy1Up. And at the end of this video, you'll see a little pop-up so you can go watch my full presentation with all the bonuses and stuff for joining me and working together with me. But anyways, Easy1Up is the first profit system that pays 100% commissions. The second profit system, Funnel X Advanced, that's one of David's programs, pays 50% commission. Third profit stream is ROI Panel, and ROI Panel is a click tracking software. Pays 50% commissions. The fourth one is Udemy. That's the place where we go buy traffic from. It doesn't cost anything to be a member. However, when people join under you and they buy traffic, you can make a 15% commission. Good way to build up some money so you can buy your traffic free and clear. Fifth one is OPM Wealth. That's a wealth education program. It teaches you about trading, crypto, Forex, wealth building, how to establish business credit, how do you leverage other people's money, things like that. Super high ticket program. That one goes all the way up to $27,500 for the top level position. And then the sixth one is the one Ontarian speaking about here, which is Ring ALN. Oh my gosh, my notifications are just going nuts. Oh, and then there's a message too. Okay, I thought I put everything on. Oh my gosh. So anyways, that's why Facebook has issues. So I've got messages all over the place. And as you saw a sneak peek of my group. It bounced there for some reason. But the sixth one is Ring ALN, which is the ringless voicemail. Oh my gosh, people, what is the deal? I thought they're gonna go shoot YouTube videos. Thank you, David, for another amazing day. Alan's doing great there. See how distracting it is? This is why I try not to spend so much time on Facebook, because it's like a time drain. And this is, let me go ahead and give you all one tip here. This is one of my mentors in New Zealand taught me this. He's like, the apps on your phone, the apps that require scrolling, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all of the ones that require doing this all day, get them off your phone. Get them off your phone. They are a time drain, okay? The better apps on their phone are the ones that don't require. Now, I realize that Facebook does require some of our attention because we do a lot of selling and telling on there. Then you just have to have you have to have a lot of willpower to make sure you don't just keep logging in there and spending a lot of time, because it's easy. I mean, look, like we're just scrolling right now. Look at testimonials. Okay, so here's my testimony. I love Ringless ALN. You can make commission selling the product while your voicemail drops are out there working for you like little soldiers. Flex those mental muscles and think about the possibilities. Gotta love those back-end decal dollars. That's a little phrase I had coined within the group, a little hashtag. So other people are starting to use it now too. So if you go to hashtag decal dollars, you'll see other people starting to use it as well, which is cool. So, I am a trendsetter. See? So there's decal dollars, there's decal dollars. There's me again, there's me again, there's me again, all my commissions. So over in this month of May, so the month of May is almost over. I don't know. I think I've done at least $10,000, probably more. I haven't done the actual totals. Definitely over $10,000 in sales this month. So it has been a good month. There's another $1,000. That was on May 1st. See, I started the month nicely with $1,000 commission. And April 30th had a $100 sale there. This $100 sale actually turned into a $1,000 sale because I got on the phone with them, and that's not something you have to do. That's just something I felt like doing because they actually lived in my county. So I was like, let me just reach out to them, send them a text message, got on a phone call, got on a Zoom call, explained to them how the program works. Because like I said, I've been doing this for a while. I know how the program works. I was able to explain the value, and then they upgraded and they used my financing plan. And that's actually before I had that long intro and I was talking about all the situations and then got here and got distracted, I actually wanted to talk about the financing program today. Okay. So I'm going to briefly go into it right now, and I'll make a full-blown video this weekend explaining how it works. But in essence, this is how the financing program works. Right now, I'm only doing it for the $1,000 position. Okay. So if right now you're like, hey, Nick, I have $1,000. I would love to just get in at the $1,000 level, but then I don't have any money for traffic. I don't have any money for the other programs and stuff. What can I do? Well, this is what you can do. With other people, you can get in at a lower level, and then you can use your money for other things. But the problem is when you come in at a lower level, say you come in at $100 or $250 or even $25, and you get a sale that comes in for $500 and above, guess what? You're not getting that sale. That sale is going to pass up because you're not positioned correctly. You can only make money at the level you're at and below. So how did I alleviate that? Through a third-party processor, I offer financing at the $1,000 level. All you have to do is put $350 down. That's $250 to me, $100 for the administration fee for the Vertex Pro $1,000 position, and then you can finance the rest, $75 a month for 12 months. What does that allow you to do? Well, even if you're still paying it off, let's just say it's your first month, you just put $350 down, you haven't even had your first $75 payment, which comes like a month later, and a $1,000 sale comes in. That $1,000 goes to you. Why? Because in Easy1Up, you collect the commissions yourself. They have to pay you directly. So now that the money's in your hand, you're like, okay, well, I bought into this position for $350 and somehow I have $1,000 in my hand. Well, it's your money. Do what you want with it. You could pay off your loan if you want. Don't let the interest build. And there's no credit check, so pretty much anybody gets qualified as long as you have a bank account with a routing number and a check number, or was it account number? As long as you have that, you're good. Okay, so pretty much everybody gets qualified. So you can either pay off the loan, or if you're like, well, I don't mind paying $75 a month because I have this extra, like $650 profit in my hand because I'm only into it. So you got $1,000, right? You already put $350 down. You haven't even got your $75 payment for the first month yet. So now you got $1,000. What do you want to do with it? Well, I mean, you could pay off the loan. You could come into one of the other programs. You could buy some traffic. That's what I would recommend. I mean, there's no point in buying all the systems and then having no money left for traffic. You need eyeballs, right? So I would keep getting traffic and keep pounding away at Easy1Up and getting those sales. That's what I did. Once I had enough sales in Easy1Up, then I went to Ring ALN, and then I'm at the highest level in Ring ALN, and that it just makes more sense, right? Instead of spreading yourself too thin, make as much money as you can on the front end, take those profits, and then buy the other systems. You need to get that traffic going. You need eyeballs. You need more people to opt in and subscribe to the funnel, okay? So later this weekend, hopefully if my computer stays stable, I will do a full-blown presentation on the financing plan. If you want to reach out to me before that, go ahead. I don't mind jumping on a quick call, answering your questions, and getting things going there as well. So like I said, if you want to come in at the $1,000 level in Easy1Up and make 100% commissions, then I do have a financing plan. It's $350 upfront, $75 a month, and you can start earning $1,000 commissions that same day, okay? There's nothing else like it. Not too many people have anything like it that they're offering. I'm one of the few. And like I said, I have bonuses as well. So at the end of this video, you'll see that pop up with the bonuses. So that's it. So I'm sorry about the length of this video. I'm sorry about, maybe getting a little emotional up there front. But, my thing is, it's my channel. I want to speak to you guys. It doesn't always have to be about business. It can be about life too, That's the thing. You build a YouTube channel, you want to connect with people. You want to be a little vulnerable at times. You want to let people know how you feel about other issues as well, right? Nothing wrong with that. So if you want to make these deagle dollars with me, then just go to the description below. Go to profitspassport.info. The link will be in the description. Just go there. That'll redirect you to my page. Put in your information, watch David's 1-hour video, create your account, and then you're good to go. Just follow the steps after that. Feel free to reach out to me. Don't mind jumping on a call and helping you set it up if you need to. I'll just give you my calendar. Just pick a time that's convenient, that's open, and I'll be more than happy to jump on and help you set up your account and join my team. You'll join my Facebook group and everything. Be more than happy to assist you, and you get to tap into my knowledge and everything. So please like, share, comment on the video. Click the little like button, and if you can, share it. Subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell notification so you get alerted anytime I have a new video. And I'm going to be teaching a lot more things. Profits Passport is what I've been pushing because it's making me a lot of money. It's making a lot of people a lot of money as well. But I'm going to teach you other skills that surround it, which will help you promote this business. And if you're not doing this business, then it'll help you promote another business. But that's the whole point of this channel, is to teach so you guys can be more successful marketers. All right. So this is Nicholas from Dallas, Texas. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.